Morning, class. So again, I want to introduce myself. I'm Miss Sheena Enriquez, 25 years old, and I'm graduate of University of Santo Tomas. You know the school? Letter. And I'm taking up for Bachelor of Science major in Mathematics. So now, tell me about yourself. Who wants to go first?
Hi, I'm Joyce Ellen Juliet. I'm 10 years old. My favorite subject is English.
Yeah, English. Another. Yes. You. Tell me about yourself. Another. Yes, miss?
I'm Claire Bautista, and my favorite subject is mathematics.
So, mathematics. Oh, now. How about you? Tell me about yourself. That's quiet. My name is Rona. My name is Rona Rose. Oh, so you are the daughter of brilliant Dr. Rose. So class, it's already time. So pick up the papers under your chair. Last please. So class is dismissed. What do you say about the judgment to President Era about the life imprisonment?
I don't think it's fair.
Hi, good morning. Good morning. Oh, you're the substitute teacher of Miss Ramos. And if I'm not mistaken, you're a Miss Sheena Enriquez, the top notcher of the board exam. And I've heard that you've graduated in UST with a bachelor degree in math. Wow! Your chair is over there, near that person. Do you mean that teacher? Whatever, I don't consider her as a teacher because she don't have a bachelor degree nor a board pass. Stop! Just don't mind her. She's just Miss Ross. Ah, okay. Thank you. Hello, Ma'am Rose. I'm Miss Enriquez, Rona's teacher. Nice meeting you. Okay. Hi, Miss Enriquez. It's already lunch break. Would you like to join us?
Thanks, but I'm waiting for my student.
Okay. Let's go.
And where you listening? I'm going to meet Miss Enriquez. She's waiting for me. No one's waiting for you, okay? I'm going to the math where the supplements are not really wet. No, is that so? Because they don't know what else. No. Good afternoon, ma'am. Flora told us that she can join the lunch because she thinks she's not good at that. So she decided to continue here in school.
Really? So, where is she?
In the class.
No, ma'am.
She's in the house. She went home already.
Okay, let's go. Where should we start?
In the library, ma'am. Let's go.
Are you okay? Here. But wait! Let's tell the department head what she did to you.
No, they won't listen. They won't even care. There are several cases happened to me before, but did the school listen? Even my mother don't care.